Hey friend, if you are sitting there thinking, I want to start a business, but I have absolutely no time, no money, and zero clue where to even begin, you are in exactly the right place. I'm Joy, a real estate agent, entrepreneur, homeschooling mama, and founder of the Crunchy Collective. I help moms like you start simple, sustainable businesses from home, the kind that serve your family instead of stealing from it. So let's talk about how you can actually start a business from home when it feels like you have absolutely nothing to give. Let's dive in. So we're gonna start with the truth about time and money. Are you ready? You don't need a 20-page business plan. You don't need fancy software. You don't need to quit everything and go all in. You only need one thing, and that's clarity. Clarity is the great multiplier. When you know exactly what to do, even 30 minutes a day becomes so powerful. Most of us aren't short on time, we're just scattered. And we're definitely not short on ideas, we're just overwhelmed. So the first thing I want you to do is breathe. Starting small isn't weak, it's actually how every sustainable business begins. So what do you need to start? All right, there are gonna be three things here. The first one that you need to do in order to start. A clear problem you can solve. I don't want you to chase trends. I want you to think about something that you're already doing that helps people. This was super transformative realization for me. Did you figure out how to meal plan with 3 kids on a budget? That's a business. Did you help a friend homeschool their kindergartner with sensory needs? That's a business. So what is the clear problem that you could potentially solve for people? Number 2, a way to show up consistently without burning out. You don't need to go viral on Instagram. In all honesty, sometimes that's not a great thing and you're not attracting your avatar or your ideal client. You don't need to choose multiple ways to show up. You just need to choose one. One podcast, one blog, one YouTube, one short form video, one Instagram account, whatever it is, choose one and commit to posting at least one post a week, whatever your platform, once a week, one platform. And number 3, a simple way to collect emails. You do not need to build out an entire website. You can use free tools like System.io to create a landing page, offer a freebie, and start building a list of people who care. You just need a connection point outside of social media because those platforms may not be here for forever, right? And you need to be able to have a way to communicate with them by offering value. So in exchange for your email, I'm going to give you this freebie that is going to benefit you in some way. People always want to know, what am I going to get out of this? So a simple way to collect emails. There are tons of free options, so you have no excuse. Now I want to walk you through something that I call the zero budget setup. We are going to set super practical options. And if I were starting today with $0 and 30 minutes a day of free time while my kids are napping, here is exactly what I would do. This is what I did do. Step 1, I want you to brain dump all of the skills, the passions, the pain points, all of it. I've actually, at the bottom of the description, if you want to go ahead and download the free PDF, that is my gift to you. It is a free PDF titled From Ideas to Income workbook that'll help you walk through this. But I want you to brain dump all of that onto the worksheet. It walks you through it. Step 2 would be to choose one problem you want to solve for one kind of person. If you cater to everybody, you cater to nobody. You need to find that one person that you're speaking to with whatever it is that you would like to do within your business and just directly speak to them. What are their needs? What is the one problem you're going to solve for them? Step 3, set up a free System.io account or something else, whatever strikes your fancy. And I want you to just create a simple landing page that in exchange for an email offers your freebie, okay? And the final fourth step would be start showing up once a week to share what you learned or how you help. And that's it. One platform, one post, that's it. You do not need to do everything. You need to do the right things. Consistency and showing up on social media is really going to be the most important part of all of this. One of the last things I want to mention is a mindset shift. This is not about hustle. This is about obedience. If God placed a desire on your heart to create something, He is also going to equip you to carry it out. It is not always going to be easy, but it will be worth it, I promise. And it is going to stretch your faith in the most beautiful ways. You are not selfish for wanting to build something, and you are not underqualified just because you're overwhelmed. You are absolutely capable, you are called, and you are not behind. So if you've been stuck in research mode, this is your sign to begin. Start where you are with what you have and let God multiply your small offering. And as I mentioned before, I've linked my free From Idea to Income Brain Dump workbook below just to help you make the first steps. If this was encouraging to you, hit that like button, subscribe for more crunchy collective wisdom, and drop a comment telling me the business idea that's been stirring in your heart. Even if it's not fully formed yet, I'd love to hear what kind of ideas are coming up for you. You've got this, mama. Let's build something beautiful without burnout.